Hello, great minds. You are all welcome to my YouTube channel, World Digital Skilling Oneself, where we share premium skills with you for free. So, if this is your first time accessing our YouTube channel, I will encourage you to like, keep a comment, and share as well. So, today you are privileged that I'm going to be showing you some technical skills that most people don't know about. Okay, for example, most people at times, whenever they want to access their word processing application by default, which is Microsoft Word, they come to the desktop, they don't see it, they are like worried that it was not installed in the machine. And we equally have a second procedure where we can access it through the start menu, and we glide through our programs, and now we choose if we have Word or not. We choose. So if there's no Word, okay, this is Word, for example, this is Word here, this is Word, it's Microsoft Word, so you can open from here. But if you don't have, so if you cannot trace right from this level, I'm going to show you a technical way for you to access Microsoft Word if and only if it's installed in your machine. Okay, so I would like you first of all to like this tutorial, keep a comment on whatever thing that you want us to share, and as well share. So I'm going to dive straight away. So what you are going to do is you use this key combination of the Windows key and the R key. You press them simultaneously like this, Windows key and the R key. So it brings you to what we call the run prompt or the command prompt. So at this level now, you will have to type these keywords, these secret words that most people don't know. With this, you can always access Microsoft Word without looking for the icon Microsoft Word or going to all program, Microsoft Office, and choosing Microsoft Word. But with this shortcut, you can just access Microsoft Word like a technician. Okay, let's dive on straight away. So you type winword. You can type it in uppercase or in lowercase. When I talk of lowercase, it means small letters. When I talk of uppercase, it means capital letter. So which way that you take, it's going to give you the answer. So type win, like somebody who has won, right? Win, yes, win word. Winning word, yes, like this. And you click on OK. So it's going to load Microsoft Word in your machine. So you can now click on blank and you start typing. So this is the interface of your word processing application, Microsoft Word. So I would like you as well to keep a like. If you like this tutorial, keep a comment and share. And in our next tutorial, I'm going to be showing you the shortcut key of accessing your calculation, your spreadsheet program, that is Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching this tutorial.